Complete these offers and earn $35, $40, $81, $50, and so on. Here you can see all the earning potentials. This is the easiest way to make money online, just by completing surveys and playing games. Step 1. Go to the site and create your email by entering email and password. After you complete your registration, you will redirect to this page. You can see you can earn $110 just by playing this game, Jackpotland Casio Sports. Step 2. Go to the offer and click Ysense offers. You can see different games you can play. This one is paying 110, $15, $50, $8, and so on. You can also try different offers from here. Here you can see all the offers and how much they are paying. This is paying up to 8,659 cents. This one is paying 504, 558, and so on. Here there are so many games and offers which you can complete to earn more. You can also try other providers. There are also many games and tasks to complete. You can earn 1.7k. It's in cents, not in dollars. 629 cents, 935 cents. Step 3. Go to affiliate program. You can earn two types of affiliate commissions: sign up commissions and active commissions. In sign up commissions, you will earn 10 to 30 cents per referral. Once your referral reach $5, you and your referral both get $2 extra commission. Like I invite you and you earn $5. Both of us will earn $2 each. To earn this extra $2, join through the link in the description. You'll earn 20% of your referrals earning as an activity commission, which will go up to 30%. To cash out, you just click cash out. When you reach $10, you can withdraw your amount through PayPal, or you can use any of these alternatives. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to join through the link in the description to get $2 bonus.